Welcome back to my kitchen. I am Becca T-Bon and I ignite focus, food, fitness, and a whole lot of fun. Today we're gonna make a green lemonade. Now I generally make this in my juicer, but today we're gonna make this in a blender because I know a lot of you guys out there don't have a juicer. So here's what we're gonna do. To add to the liquidity, you wanna take 8 ounces of water. Again, if you have a juicer, you're not adding the water. And I know this is gonna sound terrible, but I don't like the taste of all the roughage in my blender. If I juice, I do not take the skins off, but in my blender I do. So we've got 2 red apples, and I've got this handy dandy corer I absolutely love. It makes it so easy to get your core out. We have 1/4 of a cucumber, 2 stalks of celery, about 6 leaves of kale. I've already minced them up, 2 sprigs of broccoli. This is a really big one, so I'm just going to use 1. A handful of spinach, and the juice of half a lemon. It makes it really nice if you roll the lemon first. It kind of breaks up the pulp and you can get it out really easily. And in my book, you can never have too much lemon. If you want to use the whole lemon, go for it. I probably use 1 to 2 lemons a day. It's part of my repertoire. In the 17-day Lose a Pound or Dress Size program, you'll see another one of my favorite drinks that I start the day out with that uses lemon. You know, I think for this one, we're going to use a whole lemon. I'm really in the mood for lemon today. You can always use the pulp from the outside. All right, so we're just gonna put it in and blend it up. It's a beautiful color of green. Full of vitality, energy, and absolutely delicious. This will make 2 servings. There you go. Drink up to your health. Absolutely delicious. You can find more recipes at my website, www.beccatbon.com. This is one of my most favorite recipes from my 17-day Lose a Pound or Dress Size program, available on my website.